Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing about selectors in a CSS. So, what is mean by selectors in a CSS? Basically, selectors in a CSS are patterns used to identify and apply styles to a specific HTML element within a document. Then we have different types of selectors like a element selector, ID selector, and a class selector and a universal selector. Apart from, we have a different types of selectors like a attribute selector, pseudo class selector, and then pseudo element selector. So in this video, I will be covering only four selectors. So if you want another left out selectors, then I will cover in the next video. So let's begin one by one selectors. So element selector. An element selector in a CSS targets a specific HTML element for a styling. And to use an element selector, simply we have to specify the HTML element name. For example, we can see we use a P and then we have given a color blue and then font size 16 pixel. So that's it only. So id selector, an id selector is used to target a unique HTML element by its id attribute. And to use a select by id, we have to use a hash followed by the id name. As we can see in the example, we have used a hash followed by unique element. We have given name and then background color yellow and border 2 pixel solid black. Okay, and then third one, class selector. We can style a multiple elements with a class selector. Class selector in a CSS targets a multiple elements with a shared class attribute. So to use this class selector, we have to use a period followed by the class name. And for example, we can see dot, highlight, and color red, and font weight bold. And universal selector, we can style a universally with a universal selector. So the universal selector star selects all HTML elements on a page. So to use this universal selector, we have to use an asterisk like a star to apply the styles universally. So in the example, we can see we have used a star and then we have given a margin 0 and padding 0. So basically this will reset a margin and padding to 0 for all elements on the page. So that's it from this video. So I will cover whichever left out selector in the next video. I hope this video helpful to you guys. Thank you.